In a positive development in wildlife conservation, the endangered dhole, also known as the Asiatic wild dog, has been documented for the first time through a camera trap in the forests of Shirui village in Ukhrul district. The record was made during a wildlife monitoring survey conducted by the environmental force at grassroots level and Dhole as part of its ongoing efforts to document the biodiversity of Shirui village and promote community-led conservation. For the past 8 years, Dhole has also been conducting extensive wildlife conservation awareness programs across Ukhrul district, engaging schools, youth, village authorities and local communities to foster a stronger culture of wildlife stewardship. For generations, many people believe that dholes did not occur in the hills surrounding Shirui. According to Dhole, the presence of the species in the Shirui hills in Ukhrul had not previously been documented, with local residents believing it was absent from the area. The camera trap was installed with the assistance of Pom Rathing, a former hunter, who now works as a conservation volunteer. Drawing on his knowledge of local forest trails, he identified a location where the species was eventually recorded. Co-founder of Dhole, Patrick Sung, credited the Shirui village authority and local residents for enforcing a ban on hunting and supporting conservation efforts in the area. The dhole is listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List and is one of Asia's most threatened social carnivores. Its survival depends on healthy forests, abundant prey and minimal human disturbance.